Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger. Please check your internet connection. To fix your please check your internet connection error in Messenger, you can try the following steps. First, you have to check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. You can try opening a website or another app to verify your connection. Or you could also try restarting a Messenger app. First, you need to open the Messenger app and then close it again. And by this, closing the Messenger app completely and then reopening it, this can sometimes resolve temporary issues. You can also try restarting your smartphone or tablet to refresh its connection to the internet and clear any temporary issues. Or you could also try updating your Messenger. Go to your Play Store and in the search bar, type down Messenger and tap over here, and there will be an option showing you update instead of open if you need update in your Messenger, and make sure that you have the latest version of the Messenger app installed, and updates can fix bugs and improve app performance. You could also try uninstalling the Messenger app and install back again, and this can fix any corrupted files that might be causing the issue and ensure that your Messenger is not restricted or blocked by any security or firewall settings on device. And if this issue still persists after trying these steps, there may be more significant problem with either your device or the Messenger app itself. You may need to contact Messenger support for further assistance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.